don't know if you can hear me, but we're down at Sallanches, just getting ready to go. Yeah, it's going to be dry today, so we're looking forward to it. Test on it.
We're just leaving Ibis at Sallanches. People have to leave in this hotel.
Yeah.
It's not best one we've stopped in. So we're in Combluks. Yeah, chairlifting a roundabout.
Because you travel through some places where they're as nice as what you've been to actually see.
Yes, yeah.
Like here, you think that's nice.
Yeah, you come through and it looks lovely. Actually, it looks
Better than some other places where it's
you go specifically to see.
yeah.
Yeah, so we're going through Megeve.
Cabin there.
It's a nice little village here.
Oh, nice up here.
Oh yeah, like a fish. Office of Tourism. So where are we then? What village is this? Fraz Ale.
I would have thought Fraz on Sewer that on, so I would have thought it'd be on a river or something, but I can't see one on the thing. Like Arley River. Unless Arley's a mountain.
Yeah, we would, but you don't know.
No, you don't.
Hindsight's a great thing. You'd always wish you'd have gone on train and Nevers, wouldn't you?
Watch YouTube and everything's around, fantastic.
I didn't find train ride yesterday very
I didn't know, that's what I mean.
very. You were just on there like cattle horses for the sake of getting to the top. boys, claret. Was. Ede, was. Wa, claret. Right, we're going to have a little pit stop here, fill up with some juice, go to loo, have a bit of a drink. On the run.
I'm guessing that must be Claret Woods there.
Alright. See if I can manage not to make a tool of myself by dropping camera on floor. Oh dear. Yeah, I'd seen this stop coming up on sat nav. Well, but it said picnic stop, didn't it? It said picnic stop.
Right.
And then it said petrol further on at like at next one.
There's back there, back now. Just heading down to Grenoble now. It's getting really hot now. As you can see from weather. We just pulled up for some petrol and that lot. At a little service station. It's only a little one. Gonna get a cold drink and that lot because it is getting really hot. And to be honest, that's been I've had a detour and that lot, so it's been quite hard work. Hairpin bends and all that else. Throwing this old beast around. So yeah, all going well other than that. We are just heading to Manosque. So we've got a fair bit of mileage to go yet. Sat-nav's just knocked itself off, so I can't tell you, but once we get down to Grenoble we're heading on and then straight down. So we're going to have a bun and a cold drink and a wee obviously, and then we shall carry on.
Last hour.
What, these buns?
Yeah, what are they?
What we've had for 2 days.
Bull
solid.
brioche chocolates, yeah.
Oh,
I
oh.
can't get into the fuckers.
What do you think?
They're going to be sticky.
£5 for every time I'm going to said that to me. From Sisteron we're going to head on towards Manosque. At Manosque there's like L'Occitane factory, which is they make makeup and soaps, stuff like that. So we're going to go to the shop there and have a look around the shop and see if there's any bargains to be had. But by now it's really starting to get hot. Right, so eventually we made it to L'Occitane place, and it's now coming up to 4 o'clock at night, which is a lot later than what we wanted, because we've still got to get down to Sophia Antopolis, which is a fair old trek yet. But we're going to have a look around the shop and see what's going on. Right, we've made it to L'Occitane factory. Been a long old slog as that, but we're here. Windy, but it's absolutely boiling. It's 30, I would say it's 35 degrees, 5 o'clock at night. Liz is just in there, I'm just going to go and find her now. So, let's, oh look at all that pop on there, oh god. I'm just going to head from here, I just need to shop and find Liz. Let's see, oh she's there, I can see her from here. Oh, it's sweltered out here. I don't even look like what, do I? You now.
You are?
You see now.
Everything's quite weird, isn't it? I think if we turn this more and more into like a tea.